Okay, so we're going to look at Canva, look at the website templates, and we're going to choose the free templates. And we're going to look at different inspiring designs so that we can take it and convert it into an actual Astro template. And we're going to look at mainly landing pages, so we'll change it to landing pages. And we see that it's broken it down. And what else do we want to do? I was thinking that we could focus on, seeing as though it's the beginning of the year, maybe we could look at fitness and see what that gets us. This looks like nice. Here is a nice looking template. What we're going to do, we are going to take the elements of these and we are going to create this website using Astro. So let's dissect this template. As you can see, we have a huge hero section here with the logo at the top left and the hero image with a call to action right at the beginning. So, and then a button down there. So that's the first section we would have to address. The second section would be a little bit of teaser, a couple of images about the company or the studio, and a link to learn more. We've got a nice different section here with a little paragraph, and you can see the font is quite big and bold. They're using lovely color styles here. Moving further down, we've got the usual token card section where you've what the company is offering. In this case, the fitness studio, touring the gym, checking out group classes, and asking about personal training. So that'll be another section. And then we've also got now a testimonial about all the customers, and a couple of quotes with their name, the image. So that's something we have to look at. And finally, we've got another call to action, getting in touch with the mailing address and the email address and the phone number. So that's the footer section. So what we're going to do, we're going to attack each section, and then we're going to take up all the color scheme and everything and the photos, and then we're going to start going to Astro. Okay, so now we are going to look at Astro documentation and how to start creating a website using the Astro framework. Obviously, you're going to need to have Node.js installed, and we're going to be using Visual Studio Code to create the website. This is the astro.build website. As you can see, we have the showcase, resources, blog. I recommend looking into these in detail because we're not going to cover every aspect of this. We're just going to use the basics to create our website, and the idea is to create different sections that will be components that we will use, and these components will be basically what we looked at earlier with the hero sections, the testimonial sections, etc. We'll also look into how to use images and layouts and kind of make the website kind of reusable so that you could change the company if you were it's something to have as a kind of website template. and we will be looking at that too. If you want any other additions to this website, please let me know in the comments. And okay, let's get to it.